Welcome to our channel. In this video, we've highlighted the top 5 best mini drills on AliExpress that stand out for their exceptional quality. I've carefully selected these based on performance, affordability, durability, user feedback, and more. Whether you're into DIY projects or professional work, these mini drills are sure to impress. For more details, check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 5. USB Cordless Mini Wireless Drill. Looking for a versatile tool for woodworking, engraving, and DIY projects? The USB Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is a game changer. This mini wireless drill is perfect for detailed work on jewelry, metal, glass, and wood. With a powerful motor and easy-to-use design, it lets you engrave, polish, sand, and carve with precision. Its cordless USB charging feature means you can work on the go without worrying about tangled cords. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, this tool offers incredible flexibility and convenience for all your crafting needs. Compact, lightweight, and durable, this is the must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast. Number 4. Greenworks 8-Volt Mini Grinder. The Greenworks 8-Volt Mini Grinder is a must-have tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 80 watts motor and variable speed control, you can effortlessly switch between different tasks like grinding, engraving, and polishing. The 52-piece accessory kit provides everything you need to tackle various projects. This compact, cordless grinder is powered by a lithium battery that ensures long-lasting performance, and the USB charger makes it convenient for on-the-go charging. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle for extended use, and the lightweight build means it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the Greenworks Mini Grinder delivers exceptional results at an affordable price. Don't miss out on this versatile tool. Number 3. Electric Drill Grinder. The Electric Drill Grinder Engraver Pen Grinder Mini Drill Electric Rotary Tool Grinding Machine is a versatile and powerful tool, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, while its strong motor delivers high-speed performance for precise drilling, grinding, and engraving. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, this tool provides excellent results with minimal effort. It comes with various attachments, allowing you to switch between tasks seamlessly. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use for extended periods without strain. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and multifunctional tool, this electric rotary tool is the perfect choice for your next project. Buy it now on AliExpress and enhance your crafting experience. Number 2. Electric Grinder with USB Charging. Looking for a compact and powerful tool for your DIY projects? The electric grinder with USB charging and speed adjustment is your perfect companion. This versatile mini drill is designed for carving, grinding, polishing, and cutting with precision. Featuring adjustable speed settings, you can easily control the power for different tasks, whether it's delicate detailing or tougher jobs. The forward and reverse rotation function adds to its flexibility, allowing for various applications. Plus, the USB charging feature makes it incredibly convenient, so you never have to worry about changing batteries. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Don't miss out on this amazing tool for all your crafting needs. Number 1. 35 watts Rechargeable Electric Drill. Looking for a compact, powerful tool for all your DIY projects? The 35-watt Rechargeable Electric Drill USB Cordless Rotary Tool is perfect for engraving, jewelry making, and metalworking. With its adjustable speed range of 8,500 to 21,000 RPM, it provides precision control for various tasks like drilling, sanding, polishing, and engraving. The USB rechargeable design makes it convenient to use anywhere without the hassle of tangled cords. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this mini drill tool is versatile and efficient, offering great value for money. Lightweight and ergonomic, it fits comfortably in your hand for extended use. Ideal for precision work on metals, wood, and plastic. Don't miss out on this must-have tool for your collection. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.